What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the nozzle on the elegoo Centuri Carbon. First, you're going to want to lift up on the bottom here, pull forward, and then you're going to want to lift directly up, and that should come off. I use pliers, and then you're going to want to disconnect this. I use pliers. You can use whatever you want to use. Next, you're going to want to grab your Allen wrench and simply unscrew these two little screws. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to click the filament cutter to make sure it's not stuck. Then you're going to want to pull out, and then you're going to want to unplug these two clips right here. You can use whatever you have at hand, but I use pliers. They work great. Next, you're going to want to grab your nozzle. I'm using a 0.4, but you can change it out with whatever you're going to use next. And you're going to want to plug it back in to those two things. Once you're done with that, you're just going to want to simply put it right up in place where it was sitting before. Grab your screws and screw them in. After you're done with that, you can grab your shroud, plug it in, put it on the two hooks on the top, and click it back into place. And that's it. That's how you change the nozzle on the elegoo Centuri Carbon. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you out. Bye.